All right, hello. This is Tack, and today I'm going to be quickly going over the new build I've been trying to set up and play. I started it yesterday. I leveled to, well, I did the campaign and leveled to 89 using RF Elementalist. And then at level 75, I believe, yeah, 75, I switched over to, which is basically a Corrupting Fever auto bomber. So the entire point of this is you use Herald of Thunder um, that will automatically strike targets in your vicinity after using a spell. And then Corrupting Fury gets applied. And then once it kills the target, I have here a dual Foulborn Ring, which shocked enemies you kill explode. But the shocks cannot shock, and it ignites cannot ignite. But with Elementalist, with these two ascendancies here, hits always ignite, all damage can ignite. So your shocks can ignite, and your ignites can shock. So they reverse each other, and then they basically create this loop for it. That with some auto flash charges that aren't quite set up yet. I still need to like craft a better belt. I basically also need to craft basically a better item for every slot except the unique shield for Wrathpith here for the sacrifice your life stuff. So with the elements and whatnot, everything is there. We can quickly just do a quick little map here. Actually, I already have some. Just gonna show you a white map just for now, just for the concept of it. So you apply Corrupting Fever, and then you just go around and things explode. If I can actually see the shrine, thank you. And that's basically it. Single target is still pretty bad, like actually bad. It needs levels, and I kind of started it a little bit earlier, so it's a little bit rough to get going. It relies heavily on flask charges and stuff like that as well, so that's kind of important. That's why we have a brutal restraint here for the trader in flasks, so that you gain charges and stuff, and it builds life over it and whatnot. And also it relies heavily on 3 primordial bond clusters. One here, and then there's going to be another one up here, which combines with the minion damage also affects you. So first ungoaling, that's a huge effect. I wouldn't recommend starting this. Because this is partially a build from Brutu himself. But he started a different version, which isn't an auto bomber. It's like a fizz dot build. So I'd probably recommend going a fizz dot build instead, and then you can switch to this later once you have the levels and the items necessary. There's still quite a lot for me to get on this thing, but I wanted to just get it done and try it out. But it's been, for what it is, it's been pretty far. It's been pretty fun so far. So you just kind of just go around the map, and I still even need to level up my skill gems and stuff like that. So damage can still go a lot higher, a lot higher. I still need like +2 on Miami and all kinds of different stuff like that. I'm probably gonna be focusing on crafting my wand today, finishing up a wand, and then we'll go from there. Farm up some more currency and get that done. See, like the rare here is just like so slow. You got to be careful. Also, you you can actually kill yourself with the cryptid fever. So gotta be careful with the use of it. So you can just blink through everything and it just dies. But except for rares right now, rares should get a lot easier to kill once I get more levels and the other primordial bond and all that kind of other stuff. When I finish my damage over time, fizz damage over time one and whatnot. Yeah, so that's basically just a map. It's still a little rough as well, missing some cast speed with spell echo. It's gonna feel a lot better once everything is leveled up and better than that and upgraded. So yeah, that's gonna be my build update, and this is the build I'm gonna be pumping all the rest of my currency for the league in, and we're gonna see how far this build can go, which should be quite insane for mapping. If you're watching this when it comes out, I will be streaming on Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. Right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.